How to use Chat GPT without phone number. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use Chat GPT or how you can create or log into Chat GPT without actually having to include your phone number in it. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, I'll just log out of my account here real quick. Now what you want to do is let me log out, and after you log out here, you can see once you head into chat.openai.com, you'll get two different options that says either login or sign up. Now either ways, what you want to do is if you have an account, it's good, you can simply tap on login and log into your account. If not, you want to tap on sign up option, and here what you want to do is it'll give you a list of options. You can see create your account. Now down below you can see continue with Google, continue with Microsoft account, and continue with Apple. In order to use ChatGPT without phone number, you want to continue with one of these options. So I'll just tap on continue with Google here, and then I'll just choose my Google account and it'll log me in directly. So this way you can use ChatGPT without phone number. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.